Chapter 3 Water Resources, Grade 10 Social Science, Class 10th. Water scarcity. Water everywhere, not a drop to drink. After a heavy downpour, a body collects drinking water in Kolkata. Life in the cities and its adjacent districts was paralyzed as insects overnight rain, meaning a record 180 flooded west area and disturbed traffic. A Kashmiri earthquake survivor carries water in the shown in the devastated village. एक और इजराइल जैसे 25 सेंटीमीटर औसत वार्षिक वाले देश में जल का कोई अभाव नहीं है, तो दूसरी ओर 114 सेंटीमीटर औसत वार्षिक वाले हमारे देश में प्रतिवर्ष किसी भाग में सूखा अवश्य पड़ता है। देश में जल की उपलब्धता और उसके स्वरूप के अनुसार समुचित जल प्रबंधन न होने के कारण ही वर्षा का जल नदी नालों में तेज़ी से बहकर समुद्र में चला जाता है, जिससे वर्षा के बाद लगभग 9 महीने देश के लिए पानी की कमी के होते हैं। ये ही मूल कारण है देश में जलीय अभाव के, जिसे हम उचित प्रबंधन के रूप में के द्वारा नियंत्रित कर सकते हैं। Water, it is difficult to imagine that we may suffer from water scarcity. The moment we speak of water shortage, we immediately associate it with regions having low rainfall or those that are drought prone. We intentionally visualize the desert of the Rajasthan and women balancing many matkas used for collecting and sorting water and traveling long distance to get water. True, the availability of water resources varies over space and time, mainly due to variation in seasonal and annual precipitations. But water scarcity in most cases is caused by our explosion, excessive use, and unequal access to water among different social groups. Hydraulic structure in ancient India. Hydraulic structure in ancient India. In the 1st century BC, Srivengapura near Allahabad had sophisticated water harvesting system channeling the flood water of the river Ganga. During the time of Chandragupta Maurya, dams, lake and irrigation system were extremely built. Evidence of sophisticated irrigation work has also been found in Kaling, Nagarjunkonda, Benur, Kolhapur. In the 11th century, Bhopal Lake, one of the largest artificial lake of its time, was built. In the 14th century, the tank is Hoj Khas, Delhi, was constructed by Iltutmish for supplying water to Shrifort area. Hirakund Dham, Drying Wisdom says. Rainwater harvesting. Many thought that given the disadvantage and rising resistance against the multi-purpose project, water harvesting system was a viable alternative, both social, economically and environmentally. In ancient India, along with the sophisticated hydraulic structure, there exciting and extraordinary tradition of water harvesting system. In the semi-arid and arid regions of the Rajasthan, particularly in Bikaner, Polodu, all the houses traditionally had underground tanks over the tanks for shooting drinking water. The tanks could be as large as a big room. The tankas were part of the well-developed rooftop rainwater harvesting system and were built inside the main house of the country yard. They were connected to the sloping roofs of the house through a pipe. Rain falling on the rooftop would travel down the pipe and was stored in the underground tankas. The first spell of the rain cleaned the roofs and the pipes. The rainwater from the subsequent shower was then collected. Recharge through head pump, recharge through abdomen dug well. Rooftop rainwater harvesting. Rooftop rainwater harvesting common across the towns and villages of the Thar. Rainwater that falls on the sloping roofs of houses is taken through a pipe into an underground tanka built in the main house or in the country yard. The picture above show was being taken from a neighbor roof through a long pipe. Here, the neighbor's rooftop has been used for collection of rainwater. The picture shown a hole through which rainwater flows down into a underground tankas. Traditional method of rainwater harvesting. A pool leads to a circular village tank as the above in the Kaja village, from which water is released as and when required.